Hello everyone. Welcome back to UR Pavithran Channel, where we bring you the latest updates on key global topics. Today's video focuses on health, science, and environment news from around the world, dated November 6, 2024. We've got some fascinating stories lined up, so let's jump right in. Let's start with a major concern in the health sector. Several countries across Asia and Africa are reporting a rise in infectious diseases, particularly viral infections. Health experts say this increase is closely linked to climate change and deforestation, which is bringing humans into closer contact with wildlife. This, in turn, is leading to more zoonotic diseases, those that jump from animals to humans. Governments are urging international collaboration, calling for a global health response. Vaccination campaigns are ramping up in affected areas, and new research is being fast-tracked to develop treatments for these emerging diseases. On a more positive note, there's exciting news from the field of cancer research. Scientists in Europe have developed a new nanotechnology-based therapy that directly targets cancer cells, reducing harmful side effects from traditional chemotherapy. This treatment is showing great promise in clinical trials, especially for aggressive cancers like pancreatic and brain cancer. The researchers hope that, with continued success, this method will revolutionize cancer treatment and save countless lives by offering more precise, personalized care. In environment news, a major breakthrough in solar power technology is making waves. Researchers in the U.S. have developed the most efficient solar panels to date, achieving an energy conversion rate of over 30%. This new tech could lower the cost of solar energy and make it more accessible worldwide, accelerating the global transition to renewable energy. This is particularly important for countries like India and China, where solar power is critical in meeting energy demands while reducing carbon emissions. Governments are expected to roll out policies to further encourage the adoption of this technology. Plastic pollution remains one of the biggest environmental threats to marine ecosystems, but there's hope on the horizon. Japanese scientists have developed a new biodegradable plastic made from algae. Unlike traditional plastics, which take hundreds of years to decompose, this algae-based material breaks down in just a few months. Several countries are already implementing stricter bans on single-use plastics, and this new innovation could play a crucial role in reducing the harmful impact of plastic waste on our oceans. Artificial intelligence continues to reshape the healthcare industry. One of the most exciting developments comes from a research team in Canada, where AI is being used to detect early signs of Alzheimer's disease. This technology could identify potential cases years before symptoms appear, allowing for earlier treatment and better management of the disease. AI is not only being used for diagnostics but also for creating personalized treatment plans, predicting patient outcomes, and even assisting doctors during surgeries. The impact of AI on healthcare is rapidly growing, offering a glimpse into a future where medical care is more efficient and accessible. Shifting gears to climate change, this week saw massive protests across multiple continents. From Europe to Latin America, millions of people, many of them young, took to the streets demanding urgent action on climate change. They're calling on world leaders to reduce carbon emissions and implement stronger environmental policies ahead of the upcoming International Climate Summit. The climate movement is gaining momentum, putting pressure on governments to meet their promises and push for more aggressive measures to combat global warming. Finally, in what is being hailed as a landmark achievement in global health, a new malaria vaccine has been approved for use. This vaccine has been proven highly effective in preventing malaria, a disease that remains a major cause of death in sub-Saharan Africa. The World Health Organization is coordinating efforts to roll out the vaccine across high-risk areas, and it's expected to save hundreds of thousands of lives every year. This is a huge step forward in the fight against malaria, which has been a persistent global health challenge for decades. And that's it for today's health, science, and environment news. I hope you found these stories both informative and inspiring. From breakthroughs in cancer research to the ongoing battle against climate change, it's clear that the fields of health and science are constantly evolving to meet the challenges of our time. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to UR Pavithran Channel. Stay updated with the latest global news. Don't forget to drop your thoughts and comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about today's stories. Until next time, enjoy every moment because life is unexpected. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.